Hey guys, what's up? We're back out here at 159 Yuma Trail. Wanted to show you the progress. Still a construction zone here, but we're getting a little closer. Today is paint day, so I want to show you what's going on here. Follow me. All right guys, we're at 159 Yuma Trail. You can hear the noise, construction everywhere, and it is paint day today. All right, we got some music going on. Keeps the people moving. Look at that. I think we're about a week away from completion. Those are the old HVAC units. One of my paint guys right there. All right. Getting to work on this paint. Like I said, we're about 1 week away from completion. I want to show you guys the before, during, and after. It's coming along. And so far, so good, under budget. I'll let you know how things turn out when we're all said and done. Thanks again.